Does your organization know who's able to do what in SAP and why? Failure to keep up with hundreds or thousands of users with different roles and constant changes leaves your company vulnerable to unhappy auditors, or worse, a security breach or fraud event that can cost millions. ERP Maestro's cloud-based software as a service enables you to gain complete and accurate visibility into SAP user access risks almost instantly. Our secure cloud-first solution expands to meet your needs with minimal cost, complexity, or maintenance, and it can be implemented in as little as 30 minutes. You'll have all the tools you need to quickly identify and address risks, then automate controls to monitor and prevent the risks from surfacing again. Here's how. The streamlined dashboard makes identifying, prioritizing, and remediating all levels of access risk simple and efficient. At a glance, you can instantly view risk counts by user, role, or business process, drill down for a deeper understanding, and get insights that enable quicker prioritization and action, all without a single spreadsheet. The Remediation Advisor feature provides automated guidance with recommended remediation actions. Built on years of experience in the SAP and IT auditing space, a customizable rulebook is used and trusted by most of the world's largest audit firms. Emergency temporary access to SAP is simplified with ERP Maestro. Automated approval workflows and pre-approved profiles make provisioning elevated access for a specified duration secure and auditable. After access is revoked, a utilization report allows the manager to see every action and change executed. ERP Maestro also includes what-if simulation capabilities to assess the risk of adding or removing roles, as well as an intuitive Access Reviewer module that simplifies periodic user access reviews and provides a digitally certified report for audit and compliance. ERP Maestro provides end-to-end automated SAP access controls in one simple platform, enabling your organization to control risk, improve overall security, and achieve compliance. Get clean and stay clean with ERP Maestro. To learn more, please contact us today.